Hello viewers and welcome back to the channel. Today we are working on this 2025 Mazda CX-5 custom subwoofer box build. So if this sounds interesting to you, you already know what time it is.
I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Alright guys, we're gonna start the project here as usual with the subwoofer box design. But before we get there, I want to give you guys a quick disclosure here. This is a lady-driven vehicle, and during the consultation with the client, she had two main concerns in mind. First of all, she wanted to make sure that the subwoofer that we install is not going to take a whole lot of space in her cargo. And then second of all, she wanted to be able to quickly and easily take this subwoofer box in and out of the cargo if need ever be. This design is built with that in mind. So here are the different pieces that we're going to have to assemble. It's in total 6 pieces. Here we can see we have the left and right panel. We have the terminal on the right panel. On here we have the top panel of the box. Here we have the bottom panel, the baffle with the 2 openings for the subwoofers, and then here we have the front panel. Also on this panel we're gonna have a pocket up here which is gonna be there for our logo, and this is the design for that piece. This design is for 2 of the AudioControl 8-inch subwoofer, the SPK-8S4. As usual, we have some notes that are related to our design. The angle is 14 degrees at the rear wall of the box. This angle here is a 14-degree slope, and then also here we have the volume of our box, which is 1.28 cubic feet. Okay, let's take a look at the simulation here just to see what the product is going to look like on the pieces of wood. Alright guys, so this is our simulations. Right hand panel, left hand panel. This is going to be the top panel. That's the bottom panel. So we're hiding our carpet transition at the bottom here. Over here we have our baffle, and then here we have the front panel with the pocket that we just mentioned here for the logos. We're not going to cut the logo up here, so that's why you don't see the logo on this piece here, because the logo is going to be cut on acrylic. Okay, so that's for the subwoofer box guys. So let's take a look at what the amplifier rack is going to be. This is the space we have in the trunk. Right now we're working on figuring out where we're gonna have our amp rack in this trunk here, and I think what we're gonna do here is we're gonna have to trim this foam here to create some space. So I was taking a look here. We have our gears here, so I think what we're gonna end up doing here is moving this wrench over here. So we're gonna have to trim the foam here so this wrench can fit in there, and then that creates a little bit extra space over here. With that extra space, we're gonna be able to fit our gears in here. So on our amp rack, the amplifier is gonna go it's gonna be like this. So the amplifier is gonna sit on the rack like that, and then our LC2I is going to be right beside it, something like that. So far this is what I'm thinking we're going to have to do here. Okay, so that's done. We'll cut the foam here, build the rack that's going to go on this area, and then attach our gears to it. Alright guys, so that's the idea we came up with regarding to the amp rack. So we're gonna go ahead and do that guys. And yeah, once that's done, the cover goes over it, and then the subwoofer is going to be right on this same spot but on top of the trunk panel here. Okay, so we're going to start wrapping our head around this idea and see what we get. Okay, so let's get to work. There we are. So this is our amplifier rack design here on the screen guys. This piece here is going to be the amp rack base. So we're cutting this piece out of MDF, as you can see here, amp rack base 3/4 MDF, and over here is the actual amplifier rack, and we're going to cut this out of 1/4 HDPE. This piece right here is going to sit right under this portion of the base, and then this piece right here is gonna sit along over here. So this piece goes here, this piece goes here under the base, and then now we're gonna have a flat base where we can put our amplifier rack itself, and the amp rack is going to be held on the base by a few screws. So also on the amplifier rack, we have our logo at the bottom here as usual. So let's see what the simulation is going to look like on this one as well. Okay, so here we go. Pretty simple. Here we have the amplifier rack. We have our logo, which is going to be engraved right on the HDPE. And then over here we have the base, which is going to be cut off of the MDF, 3/4 MDF. Same thing with those support at the bottom of the base. Like I mentioned before, this piece goes right under here, so it's the exact same shape up to somewhere around here. It goes under there, and then this piece here is going to go under here. All right, just to sustain the base at the bottom. And then the amplifier rack goes over the base. So that's for the amplifier rack. Okay, so let's move on and then send this design over to the shop so we can start cutting the different pieces, and then we'll go from there, guys. All right, our pieces are all cut, so now we're going to start assembling it, and our sub box should be ready in a bit here. Okay, so this is just showing you guys how the pieces are coming together. You're going to have to trim this at an angle, same thing at the bottom, and then the rear panel is going to go on there. But yeah, this is pretty much what it looks like. We're halfway through the assembling process here, so just quick look at where we at. Okay, last piece is about to go on. All right, assembling complete.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love